Hello and welcome to another part of the Parramatta Light Rail construction update series. I just finished up the green zone video and am now at the T intersection of Bridge Street and Hainsworth Street. So in this video we'll be walking along Hainsworth Street. So I'll let some cars go through first, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Light just changed, so the trams that haven't been built yet can go through. Yes! Pure excitement. To my right, which you'll see in a moment, is another light rail stop. This one is in island formation. They're not side platforms. And there's another light rail stop there. There's quite a bit of work going on up here. So, yeah. Alright, we're about to turn onto another street, I think. Maybe not. Alright, so we're now turning onto Hawkesbury Road in the suburb of Parramatta. So yeah, this video features Hainsworth Street and Hawkesbury Road. Trying to think of what I should do for a thumbnail for this video. Friggin' yes. Right. Might thought that was a good idea, but maybe not. Took a photo of the tram speed sign anyway. Just in case I can't find another good spot for a thumbnail. Hawkesbury Road at Jessie Street. Western Sydney University up ahead. I like how they've planted all these trees along here. Changed tree types, have they? No, they haven't. Okay. Jeez, look at this guy. bloke's just thought, nah, not doing it. He's just given up on life, hasn't he? Absolutely screwed. Got another light rail stop up here. That'd be part of the Westmead Hospital precinct. No. Actually. Try that for a thumbnail shot with a half-dead tree here. Don't worry, I'm not trampling plants. Face the camera down for a minute so you could admire these pavers. Very good pavers, absolutely great. So if they are these, I don't know, battery operated trams like the Newcastle Light Rail, they'll probably get the Airbus 100 fleet. So just like the Newcastle Light Rail, like there's no overhead wiring between stops, so the tram will come in to a light rail stop as they do, and the pantograph will go up to little charging stations that aren't there yet, and sort of just charge the batteries to keep the train moving until the following stop, if that's what they're doing. Hawkesbury Road at Caroline Street in Parramatta. Oopsie. Okay, just missed these lights. Okay, sort of waited 2 cycles with those lights and let's go green. Alright, getting closer to Westmead now. I'm in Westmead. Approaching Queen's Road. Hawkesbury Road at Queen's Road. Sign's still saying Parramatta. Okay, looks like it's turning off Hawkesbury Road now. There's signs for the T-way, I'm not sure, I'll have to see. I don't know. See where this is headed. Anyway, folks, that will be all for this video. I'll continue it just up here, see where it goes. But thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Sydney Trains Vlogs, favourite the video and all that good stuff. And I will catch you guys very soon.